Take your right hand on your heart and repeat after me. I take 100% responsibility of this feeling of fear. So, whatever is the feeling of the fear I have, maybe the fear of rejection, fear of losing someone, fear of failure, fear of success, fear of losing the job, fear of the future, fear of future of my kids. Whatever is the fear I am carrying inside me, which is stuck inside my body, consciously or unconsciously, good or bad, positive or negative, right or wrong, whatever it may be, I am now ready to take the 100% responsibility of it, and I allow myself to release it. It's very safe to release. So I am ready to release all that fear, all that judgments, all that criticism, everything from my system right now. Are you really ready to release all that stuck fear inside you? Say yes. Are you 100% sure that you have to release it right now? Say yes. Are you willing to release all the fear right now? Say yes. So let's begin with the releasing process. I'm sorry, dear universe, for creating this feeling of fear. Please forgive me, dear universe, for creating this feeling of fear. So, whatever is the fear, maybe it is the fear of rejection, fear of judgments, fear of criticism, fear of getting something, wherever it is stuck inside my body, whether it's small or big, whether it's giving me the emotional pain or the physical pain, I let go it right now. I surrender it to the universe right now. Please forgive me, dear universe, for not taking the responsibility of this fear since many years. And I was just blaming the other people around me. I was just blaming the conditions around me. But you have always reminded me take the responsibility of this fear. So now I have understood that why you were sending me the similar type of the experiences in my life, because you were always reminding me that take the responsibility of it and release it. Thank you, dear universe, for always being so supportive, for always being so guiding. And you have become my best guide ever. I am truly grateful for you for always guiding me, for always supporting me, and for always loving me. What a lovely connection between you and my dear universe. I am truly grateful for it. And I am truly grateful the way you work and you teach me the lessons. You are just an amazing. Now I take the responsibility of this fear and I am truly willing to release it, dear universe. I have learned all that lessons, whatever you want to teach me from this fear. I am ready to release all different types of fears which are stuck inside my body or inside my subconscious mind. I know that and I have understood it now that it's my own creations. They are all my babies. So I will not hate them. I will not resist them. I am ready to hug them. I am ready to accept them. Because as they are my babies, I cannot hate them. I cannot resist them to come towards me. So I accept the fear gracefully. And I am going to learn this beautiful lesson from this fear. And now understand that fear is not always bad because in my childhood, when I gave the exams, so before the exams also I got the fear. That was the fear for studying, which helped me to score. I got the fear while learning the new things also. And because of that fear, I have learned many new things. So fear is not always bad, it's good also. Because it gives me the courage to move ahead, to learn the new things in my life. So thank you, my dear fear, for allowing me to learn the new things. And I have just blamed you that you are always coming in the form of the bad. But it's not true. Your other form is also good, which helps me to grow, which helps me to learn the new things. So, my dear baby, fear, I'm sorry for judging you. My dear fear, I'm sorry for criticizing you. My dear fear, I'm sorry for always hating you. That why you have came into my life. I don't want you. And I have just resisted you all the time. But you are there to teach me something. So I love you, my dear fear. I really love you. And I'm ready to release you right now. I have learned the lessons. But remember, my dear fear, whenever you want to come in my life, please come and teach me the lesson which you really want to teach me. Now, henceforth, I will not hate you. I will not resist you. I will accept you and I will learn the lesson from you because you are my own child. You are my own baby. So I cannot hate you. I cannot resist you. So, dear fear, now you please go and go with love and grow with love. But remember, please come again to teach me the new lessons. Dear universe, I love you for everything, whatever you have given to me. I am truly grateful for all the things which I have because you have created such a beautiful situations. You have created such a beautiful conditions because of which I have got everything. And I love this life because I am growing each day. I am learning new things each day. What a beautiful learning life, dear universe. Thank you for this life. Thank you for all the people around me for giving me the opportunity to learn each day and to heal myself each day. Thank you for all that experiences. Thank you for all that people. Thank you for all that conditions because of which I am here today, who I am today. day by day, every day, I'm becoming the better version of myself. Thank you, dear universe, for always taking care of me. All is well in my world. Everything is perfect. Exactly it is right now. Take a deep breath. Rub your palms. Gently put it on your face.